Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use Bybit Exchange Features Grid Bot. Yeah, so guys, if you want to use the Features Grid Bot for your trading, the first thing you will do is this: you will register on Bybit Exchange. So, guys, you can use my invite link in the description to register. After your registration, you will do KYC. After your KYC, yeah, you will buy USDT stablecoin. So guys, on the Bybit crypto exchange app, you will click on assets. When you click on assets, you will see unified trading. Click on it. In the search space, you can search for any coin of your choice. So guys, in this video, I am going to search for Shiba Inu. So guys, click on it. So guys, you will see AI analysis short, meaning Shiba Inu is going down in value. Three bearish indicators. So guys, click on it. So guys, when you click on it, you will see trade GPT. GPT will analyze the project. So guys, everything you need to know about this project, trade GPT will analyze everything. So take your time, to read the analysis. So guys, you may be interested. You have two options, features grid or perpetual. So guys, in this video, like I said, it's a video on features grid. So guys, I'm going to go with features grid. You click on copy now. You click on copy now. You can use the manual option if you want to, or you can use the AI option. I prefer to use the AI option. So guys, you can spend as low as 0.7236 on this trade. So guys, if you want to use the features grid bot, this is how to go about it. Make sure you have USDT. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Support this channel. Thanks for watching.